We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up our love friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna.
430 Delta Charlie, ready to taxi.
Remember 430 Delta Charlie, Naples ground, runway 5, taxi via Alpha, cross runway 14 Alpha.
To runway 5 via Alpha, cross runway 14 at Alpha, HondaJet 430 Delta Charlie.
Make a left turn from your present position, head for the right base runway 5. Left turn north approved.
All right, so you see the taxi lines, right?
Yeah.
But Alpha's this first one.
Well, Thunderwing Sports.
So it's going to be a hard left.
Departure head of your level.
Okay, that goes to the runway. We don't want that. Not yet.
Yeah.
Clear right. Yep, we're clearing the right. All right, so we're on taxiway Alpha.
704 Bob Alpha, that looks good, sir. Just continue for that
and
1
he's
mile.
Cleared us to cross. Very important.
Currently on a 2-mile final. He'll be out of the way by the time you get there. Runway 5, clear to lane number 2.
You can't cross in runway unless they tell you you're allowed to. And even so, I double check.
Blackjet 608, square your base off. You'll be number 3 for the airport, following Icon on a 1-mile right.
So he's
base.
working
Runway 5,
ground
number 3.
and tower. So he's busy.
Yeah.
Okay, he's cleared us to cross 14.
4 Bob Alpha, you see that
if you get to a point
you
you're not sure, you just stop
Thank
and
you,
ask.
Sir.
There's no harm in that.
Okay, 20 contact 4 miles departure. Have a great day. 5180 Lima, left turn north through. Have a good flight.
So you see, those are the hold lines, right? So if you're coming the other way, you would have to, your nose can't go past that.
Yeah.
Icon 4 Bob Alpha. I've got a
taxi? Go ahead.
jet behind you. So
Okay, my plane.
Your plane.
Gotta go a little right.
Left.
Oh, left.
Just a hair.
I good?
You get it? Yeah. A little bit more. Oh, look at this.
That guy riding a bike?
Look to the left. I got it. My plane.
Okay.
You got spectators.
Leave.
Number 53310, traffic at
That's cool.
11 o'clock.
I like that.
Northbound
My plane, I got the brakes.
Yeah, it's been your plane.
I know. I just saying it again.
Oh.
I don't know. I'm repetitious.
Number 5180 Lima, traffic's at your 10 o'clock.
We take our time.
2.5 miles.
No rush.
Southeastbound,
Get everything
1,000.
Look at that.
What?
Isn't that the Icon? Am I crazy?
No, that is. You're not crazy. We love that little Icon plane.
I saw the logo.
Yeah, it's cute.
It's such a specific shape, too.
Okay. All right.
Oh.
Let me set the brake. Okay.
Challengers 453 Foxtrot Delta, stay on the ramp, but work your way over to those apron signs by Alpha in the corner
Next
of
thing
the
up
ramp.
will be landing gear. Our flaps are set.
Okay, we'll make our way over to the
Alrighty.
apron ramps and hold short of Alpha, 43 Fox Delta.
430 Delta Charlie, Naples Air, turn right heading 060, runway 5 full length, clear for takeoff.
060 on the turn, and 5 right clear for takeoff, 0 Delta Charlie. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, 060.
XHJ 862, Naples ground runway 5, taxi via Alpha.
Engines are fully spooled up. Cross-checking. Airspeed. Crossed. And coming up to B1. B1, hand goes to the yoke.
Number 123 Sierra, Naples ground, taxi out via Tango, hold short of Alpha on Tango.
2 good engines. Gears coming up. MCT on the thrust.
I don't see you
flaps
moving,
are
sir. Are you
coming
still
up.
moving towards runway?
Okay, and he wants a right turn. 2060.
Okay, yeah,
And we're climbing up to 2000.
All right, turn left on Alpha, taxi runway 5 via Alpha for 453
Push that trim down a little bit.
You want me to put that in the altitude?
Oh yeah, 2000. I thought I did it.
Oh.
Oh, my mess.
And HondaJet 430 Delta Charlie, don't see your, it looks like you're squawking VFR, so let's squawk 6077, please.
6077, 0 Delta Charlie, thank you. All right. Yeah, I forgot to put that in too. 6077, X for enter. All right, 1700, Going to stop at 2,000.
430 Delta Charlie, contact Fort Myers, departure 124.12.
24120 Delta Charlie, thank you.
Number 53310, when able, stay parking.
Thanks for that.
Sorry, I'm sorry, I was on the wrong free.
Roger, Upjet 820, you are cleared visual approach to Mark Island Airport. The traffic set your 1 to 2 o'clock, southeast sound indicates 2,500. Another target right behind them, southbound indicates 1,000.
Closing power.
Yep, got them both on TCAS. If I'm 4 and 5 miles out, we'll keep an eye out for them.
Myers approach, Aero 5790 Victor would like to request lower.
And now, go ahead and hit nav, please.
Yes, sir.
Yep. Okay, nav means FMS, Flight Management System. Beautiful. Now, the reason I turned on the engine heat, even though it's warm out, it's still within the temperature range where ice could form. Not probable here, but theoretically. So when you go into visible moisture, which is AKA clouds,
yeah,
you have to have the engine heat on, right?
Approach cross 577, level 8,000. We have
That's
Delta.
a manual thing. It's not automatic.
Fort Myers approach, Roger.
We're going to come out of the clouds here.
Very sunny
430
clouds.
Delta Charlie, contact Miami Center 134.75.
3475, HondaJet 0 Delta Charlie, thank you.
8 Charlie Bravo, contact Naples Tower.
3475. Okay, climbing nicely, and engine heat can come off. Hello, Miami Center, HondaJet 430 Delta Charlie. 8,100 feet for 10,000 and direct seashell.
Number 430 Delta Charlie, Miami Center, climb maintain, flight level 180.
Flight level 1800 Delta Charlie, thank you.
Hello, Long Island. That Fire Island down there.
Yes.
Those lights
Yes.
in this summer. I don't want to be home.
I know, it's going to be, it's 1 degree Celsius.
What? Right
What?
now? Currently?
Yeah, 1 degree Celsius, so that's what, 33, 34 degrees
Is it too
Fahrenheit?
late to turn around?
We don't have enough fuel to go back to Florida.
my
It's a
God.
temptation.
I wish we could.
I
don't
do
want to
too.
go home.
Cheers 5 Charlie Delta, contact
You can see the lights of the Northport stacks.
I see it square.
No, but you see the lights going up and down. Those are the stacks.
HondaJet 0 Delta Charlie, descend and maintain 2,000, contact New York 125.7. Good night.
2,025.70 Delta Charlie. Thanks for the shortcuts. So 4.5.
That guy was nice.
He was.
HondaJet 430 Delta Charlie, 10 from ZOSAP, cross ZOSAP 2000, cleared RNAV 19.
10 from ZOSAP, cross ZOSAP 2000, and cleared for the approach RNAV 190 Delta Charlie. Yeah, go to ZOSAP, be at 2000 at ZOSAP, and then clear for the approach. That was his sheet.
And was that a JetBlue 1804?
All right, so we'll start slowing our
Thank you,
speed
sliding 020.
to 200 knots. All right,
Because
we
it
got to
makes it
stay
square.
under 200, so I'm going to slow us down to, let's say, 195, because we're going to use flaps
All
soon.
right. Yep.
Okay.
Can I do flaps when it's time? Let me know. I'm not paying attention.
Yeah, you can go 1 notch flaps now.
JetBlue 2710, speed 180.
This one. Okay.
2,000 speed
You see we're
180,
slowing down
Alaska,
nicely with flaps.
26.
Okay, so flaps.
JetBlue 1804,
We're
speed
done.
210, then maintain 3,000.
Okay. Next will be landing gear, but not yet.
KLM 643, heavy turn right, heading
I'm
330.
doing that too. Let me know when.
Yes. Well, you tell me, when do you think?
Oh, I don't know.
Well, we're going to turn inbound. When do you usually when do we drop gear? Remember?
Azor Steve
no.
3, aircraft search,
Yes, you
6
do.
Romeo, expect Alice, B2 off.
What do we see over here?
Oh, when the arrow comes down to the
Flash
second
26,
bubble,
heading 280.
Yeah, you want that, right.
to the second circle,
Heading
not
280,
bubble.
Alaska.
So you see the airplanes flying the approach for you, right?
Yeah, that's nice. Thanks,
Very
Honda.
Flash 26,
Or
turn left,
Garmin,
heading
whoever it is.
280.
Well, both, yeah.
Left,
Yeah, thanks.
280, Alaska.
All right, tower standing by.
JetBlue
We've
2710,
completed our checklist.
2000, Seoul Travel, cleared Alice, B2 off. KLM 643,
I
heavy,
see Route 110. You see that like stream of lights? That
Yeah.
will lead you into the airport. That's Route 110.
795 heavy,
Good to know. Good to know.
Yeah.
Delta 95, 795 heavy, thank you.
And the Walt Whitman Mall is a reporting point. So
2710,
Northport
180,
Stacks is this is when you know when you're starting to do your lessons, you'll have reporting points. Okay? Everything's looking good. Plane's doing the turn.
Left heading 310.
Left turn heading 310,
Oh, nice.
JetBlue.
Okay. Saying ZOSAP to Debbie.
0 Delta Charlie, contact Republic Tower 118.8.
Over to Tower 0 Delta Charlie. Good night.
JetBlue 2380,
Okay.
turn left
We got Charlie. And it's turning nicely. All right, we're going to start slowing it down here in a minute. Hello, Republic, HondaJet 430 Delta Charlie, coming home with information, Charlie. Just about at Debbie, inbound on the 19 approach.
HondaJet 430 Delta Charlie, Republic Tower. Good evening. Winds now 23010. Runway 19. You are clear to land. You going to monitor today?
I go to Atlantic.
Atlantic, copy that.
All right, traffic off the right.
Trying to find the airport, but I can't see it.
Hey, you are clear to land. Runway 19 for HondaJet 0 Delta Charlie.
Oh, wait, never mind. I see it.
Clear to land, 0 Delta Charlie. Thank you. All right, so we're on the approach. Can zoom that in. Go over here. I want to see where that traffic is.
I can
Vertical track.
Traffic is off the right. Oh, now I got someone in front of me.
We've got so much in front of us.
All right. 400 feet on the approach path. All right. We're going to descend below them.
As you head out northbound, I do have traffic on final HondaJet.
I see him right there.
12 o'clock, 5 miles
That's
or so, 2,000 feet. If you could give me a left turn or so,
okay.
It's about 15 degrees off of final.
Here.
Hey, left turn 15 degrees, and I believe I have the traffic, sir. We'll call it when we do.
Okay.
0 Delta Charlie, going to have traffic, a sky lane, 1 o'clock, 4 miles, 2,400 feet. They're heading northbound, 2,400 feet, climbing out the opposite direction to you.
Thanks for the heads up. Got him TCAS, 0 Delta Charlie. See him now.
I see him, yeah.
Right over here. Yeah.
I know, he's right there.
Yeah, cool.
Hi.
But that wasn't even the traffic I was looking at. I was looking at this
Plane
guy.
is that? He looks so big.
Yeah, it's optical illusion.
Yeah.
All right, I want to see that it's going down.
And then there's the other traffic right there. You just went past.
Yeah.
Very busy night.
Descended yet. Okay, it's starting to descend. That's how I want to make sure it's descending. Stay on glide slope. Okay, there we are. Now, normally, well, not normally, what we should do every time is set the missed approach altitude. So it's already set at 2,000.
Yeah.
Pull some power here. Pull some power. I'm going too fast here. So slow it down. And when we get to under 160, you're going to go landing flaps.
Yeah.
Okay. It's 160, 159. Go ahead, landing flaps, please.
Am I in landing flaps? Yep.
Okay.
There we go.
You look over here.
Yeah, that's where I was looking.
Okay. VREP is 109, so I'm slowing down. Okay. Wind is off the right. Now, if you look here, you can see your wind vector. It's 20 knots up here. It'll come down as we go down, but that's why the plane is pointing to the right.
Yeah, crabbing into it. Or
that's right. Perfect.
I always think of that.
Yeah, but look what the pipper is. It's showing that the autopilot's doing it perfectly. That it would put us over the runway.
Yep.
And you see how the wind is starting to dissipate. It was 20, now it's 17. All right. Gotta pull some power. Okay, we're fully configured. Landing gear is down. No speed brake necessary. Flaps are done. It's just a matter of power management.
500.
And kicking off the autopilot. Now I'm going to kick it off. Autopilot's off.
Alrighty.
I bring her down a little bit. All right. I can act like the autopilot and just put one chevron in the other. That's what the autopilot does. That's your flight director. It's telling you where to put the nose. See that?
Yeah.
Okay. Pull some power. Just a little bit. We want 109.
Minimums.
And you see how we're coming in nicely. A little bit of power to hold. Gear is down. Final check. Gear is down. Okay. Full flaps. Power out. A little bit high. A little bit high. Power's out now. Okay. Stay with me. All right. I'm using my rudders. A little bit, just milking it. Okay. Nose is down.
Smooth.
And now applying brakes and go for center line with brakes and rudder. Okay.
3,000.
3,000 feet left on a 5,000 foot runway.
Oh, nice.
So I can roll it down to the end. Bravo 6, Bravo back home with me. See you later.
with you to the end, Bravo 6 to Atlantic. Thank you so much, Zero Charlie. Nice guy.
Yay.
So if we needed to stop in a 4,000-foot runway, you know, we could. I would have just nailed the brakes, right?
Yeah.
But that would be tight. You got to be really on your game. Now, when you're on the runway and taxiway, don't worry about anything else. You got plenty of time to clean up the plane. There's the end of the runway, the red lights, right? And so here's the blue lights for the taxiway. Okay? And he said, and with him, we can go right to Atlantic. You want to do the taxi now?
I'm too far back. Hold on.
Okay.
Wait. Okay. Wait. Okay, I got it.
Your plane.
Power, please. Hello?
Yes.
Are you with me?
Yes.
Power?
Left turn. Left. Hard left down.
Oh, hard left. My bad. I almost ran off the runway.
There's a shoulder over there, but that's okay. Yeah.
Yeah, that's where I was going. The shoulder.
Yeah.
Just keep on moving through the beat. Don't let them get.
Should I turn here? Hello? Hello?
Okay, start turning.
Bravo Kilo, copy that. I have that down.
You got your feet on the brakes?
Kind of, sort of.
Don't run her over. She's a nice lady.
To the Delta.
Oh.
We are not getting cold, so keep on dancing.
Take 5-2, you here?
It's a new guy. There's a lady that's got short hair. Anyway.
Sorry, bad.
Great job. That was great.
Please never make me drive again.
All right. Well, everybody, thanks for coming along on this flight. My co-pilot daughter was of tremendous help, as always. So stay tuned. Subscribe if you like what you see. And thanks for watching. Have a good night.
Good night.
Good night.